Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 4 in our course Building Employment Website with ASP.NET and MVC5. In this lesson we will talk about Bootstrap carousel plugin, and let's take an example about carousel plugin from the beginning. I prepared it for you. Let's go here. Carousel plugin, this is exactly what we are going to build in this project. So let's start what carousel plugin is, and let me explain. This lesson will be consisting of two parts, theory part and practical part. We'll start by the theoretical part of our lesson, which is how to create the carousel plugin, and explanation all the component of the carousel plugin. We'll start our carousel plugin. What is carousel plugin? Is the component of cycling, and this is what cycling means, like moving from one to the other, and this is called indicator dots. We'll see how to build. This is the example and tip. Carousel plugin, we need to add a JavaScript, carousel JavaScript, but because we are using Bootstrap, so no need for us to add the carousel plugin because everything is already been added by bootstrap.js, and this library has been already been imported to our project. So how to create the carousel view? We'll start by div and then ID. Why this div should have an ID, or why the carousel view should have an ID? We'll use this ID, and in our case now is called my carousel. We use this to control the function of the carousel properly. So the function of the ID is to control the function of the carousel properly. Class, we are having two things, carousel and slide. The carousel, it tells that this div has a carousel plugin, while slide, it adds the slide or the animation or the animating effects to our carousel. If we doesn't need this effect, we can just omit slide or remove slide from our situation, on our case, sorry. Data ride, this function tells that when the page is loaded, it should start animating. Means this attribute tells Bootstrap to begin immediately the carousel view when the page is loaded. Okay, then we will go back, as I said, to our indicator part. This small dot is a small dot. It has two functions. The first function of this dot, sorry, this dot, as I said, it has two functions. The first function, it tells the user in which slide he's standing, and the second function, it tells how many slides this carousel plugin has. Okay, as you can see, we'll start creating our indicator by OL. OL is ordered list, and we are choosing the round dot. Let's go to the list. We have data target and data slide 2. What's data target? Data target is an attribute to the ID of the carousel. This attribute points to the ID of the carousel view. What is data slide? Data slide is attribute specify which slide the carousel view should go to. So simple as it is, and we can create as much as we need by creating li data. So we'll create it also line by line in the practical side. What is the wrapper? In this wrap, okay, I omit one single things, the class active here. The class active needs to be added in one of our slides. If we don't add this, the carousel view will not be visible, and you can try. it should be added. It's not an optional, it's obligatory. And the wrapper slide part is the slide specified in the div with the class of inner carousel, as you can see, carousel. Then item active, as I said, also active here is used to unless otherwise the slide will not be visible. And we can add our picture by adding the image tag with the source. And in the practical tab, I will be adding some styles and some widths and heights to our picture to make a full screen carousel view. Let's continue. And this is left and right control. Left and right control is this is the left and this is the right control that control the slide with the glyph icons. Glyph icons is icons from the bootstrap, and it shows this if you can greater than and less than, previous and next. That's all for the theoretical part. We'll meet in the practical part in the second part of this lesson. Please, if you like the video, press like and subscribe in our channel. Let's meet in the next video.